Welcome to our channel, where we explore the best ways to make your time on the internet more productive. Today, we're venturing into the diverse world of online earnings. From freelancing and creating online courses to affiliate marketing, content creation, and even e-commerce, we're about to embark on a journey across a myriad of strategies that have proven successful for countless internet users. Ready to dive into the world of online earnings? Buckle up and let's get started. First up, let's talk about freelancing and creating online courses. Freelancing is a fantastic way to capitalize on your skills and interests, whether that's writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are excellent online marketplaces where you can offer your services. But to attract clients, it's crucial to build a strong portfolio. This could be a personal website or an online showcase of your work, demonstrating your capabilities and experience. Moving on, creating and selling online courses and ebooks is another effective way to earn money. If you're knowledgeable in a particular field, why not share your expertise with the world? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create courses and reach a global audience. Similarly, writing and publishing ebooks, either through platforms like Amazon Kindle or directly through your website, can be a lucrative venture. Freelancing and teaching online are excellent ways to utilize your skills and earn money. Now, let's move on to our next strategy. Now, let's explore the world of affiliate marketing and content creation. Affiliate marketing is like being a virtual salesperson for another company. You sign up for an affiliate program, promote their products or services, and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win scenario, as businesses get more customers, and you get paid for your efforts. On the other hand, content creation involves starting a blog or YouTube channel, where you can share your knowledge, experiences, or creative endeavors. You can earn money through ad revenue, such as Google AdSense for blogs and the YouTube Partner Program for videos. Additionally, if your content gains enough traction, brands may approach you for sponsored content, adding another revenue stream. With affiliate marketing and content creation, you can turn your passion into profit. Next up, we have e-commerce and selling art online. Ever thought of starting your own online store or selling your art online? Let's explore how. E-commerce is a booming industry, and platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy for you to set up shop. You can sell a variety of items, from handmade crafts to digital products. And here's a pro tip: consider dropshipping. This is where you sell products, but the inventory is managed by a third party. It's a great way to start an e-commerce business without the need for storage space. But maybe you're more into the arts. Stock photography and digital art can also be profitable online ventures. Websites like Shutterstock are always in need of high-quality photos, and platforms like Etsy aren't just for crafts. They're a great marketplace for digital art too. With e-commerce and online art sales, you can reach a global market. Now let's look at some other remote work opportunities. Let's delve into more remote work opportunities. One popular option is to offer virtual assistant services to businesses or entrepreneurs. As a virtual assistant, you could be handling anything from administrative tasks, social media management, email correspondence, and more. Another avenue is to explore remote job opportunities. These can range across a variety of fields like customer service, writing, programming, and more. Many companies are shifting towards a remote work model, opening up a plethora of opportunities no matter where you are in the world. Cryptocurrency trading and stock market investing are also viable options, especially for those who have a keen interest and understanding of financial markets. This route, however, does require a good amount of research and risk management. If you're more creatively inclined, web development, designing website themes or templates, or even offering remote consulting services based on your expertise could be the way to go. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of social media. Building a strong social media presence can open doors to influencer marketing, collaborations with brands for sponsored content, or even offering social media management services to businesses. Remember, the key to earning online is persistence and continuous learning. We hope this video has given you some ideas on how to get started. What's your favorite strategy that we discussed today? Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, keep hustling.